In this video, I will show you that how you can easily fix if Facebook notifications are not working on your phone. Make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone and then you'll have to scroll down and tap on notifications. Now you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to look for Facebook and you'll have to open it. And now, first thing you'll have to make sure is that allow notifications option is turned on, and then you'll have to make sure that these three options are check marked. And then once you're done with this, you'll have to scroll down all the way and you'll have to tap on Facebook notification settings, which will open the Facebook app notification settings. Then you'll have to make sure that this option is turned off. So in this way, you'll be able to fix if your Facebook notifications are not showing. So I hope you found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.